All right, in this video, we want to find the exact value of tan 13 pi over 12, and we're going to solve this equation without a calculator. So we're going to use our special triangles over here. So because the denominator is a 12, there's no way we can use the special triangles just yet because those rely on pi over 3, pi over 4, and pi over 6. So I need to somehow simplify this so my denominators become either 3, 4, or 6. Now, the way to do that is to use our compound angle equations, either addition or subtraction. You want to think of two numbers that add or subtract to 13, and both those numbers can simplify with 12. So I know that 10 plus 3 is 13, and both 10 and 3 can simplify with 12. So I'm going to split this up into tan 10 pi over 12 plus 3 pi over 12. Now, there are multiple ways you can do this question. You could have also done it 9 plus 4 because both those numbers simplify with 12 as well. But you can't do like 8 and 5 because 5 does not simplify with 12. So just remember both the numbers that you split this into have to be able to simplify with the denominator. Now I'm just going to simplify these fractions. So that's just 5 pi over 6. I just divided both of those by 2. And over here, pi over 4, divided both of those by 3. Now I can use my compound angle equation. Tan A plus B equals tan A plus tan B over 1 minus tan A tan B. So in this case, it's just going to be tan of 5 pi over 6 plus tan of pi over 4 divided by 1 minus tan 5 pi over 6 times tan of pi over 4. To find the exact values of tan 5 pi over 6 and tan pi over 4, I'm just going to use my special triangles. 5 pi over 6 is in the second quadrant. My acute angle is pi minus 5 pi over 6, which is pi over 6. Opposite of pi over 6 is 1. And adjacent is root 3. But since it's the negative x-axis here, I'm going to make it negative root 3. And then the hypotenuse is 2. So I know that tan of 5 pi over 6 is just opposite over adjacent, which is negative 1 over root 3. I'll just move the negative to the top. So negative 1 over root 3. And then tan of pi over 4, that's just your regular special triangle in the first quadrant where the acute angle is pi over 4. So adjacent is 1, opposite is 1, hypotenuse is root 2. So tan of pi over 4 is just 1 over 1, which is 1. Same thing over here, it's just negative 1 over root 3. And that's just positive 1. So now I just want to simplify this equation. I'll just start by multiplying this negative sign with these two terms. So negative times negative 1 over root 3 times 1. I'll also get rid of my bracket in the top. I don't need that anymore. That's just going to be positive 1 over root 3. Now I just have to simplify this here. So I'm going to make a common denominator in the top and a common denominator in the bottom as well. So just multiplying the top over there and bottom over here by root 3. Then I'll do the same thing over here, multiply the top and bottom by root 3. Now I can simplify this. I'll just continue up over here. I'm just going to turn this main divide sign into a division. If you struggle with fractions over fractions, I'll show the long steps over here. But this can be done a lot quicker if you're more comfortable with fractions. I'll flip that and turn it into a multiply. So basically these two just cancel and I'm now left with -1 plus root 3 over root 3 plus 1. Now, if your teacher does not expect you to rationalize, this is your final solution. If your teacher expects you to rationalize, you got to multiply the top and bottom by root 3 minus 1. Remember, we're foiling out the two brackets. So -1 times root 3 is negative root 3. -1 times -1 is positive 1. Root 3 times root 3 is 3. Root 3 times -1 is negative root 3. And in the denominator, root 3 times root 3 is 3. The middle terms will cancel out because I'm rationalizing, so I don't have to do that here. 1 times -1 is -1. We'll combine like terms in the top. So 1 plus 3 is 4. Negative root 3 minus root 3 is negative 2 root 3. Denominator is just 2. And finally, I can simplify. I can divide all these numbers by 2. So I'm just left with 2 minus root 3 because that just turns into a 1 and disappears. So this is my final fully rationalized solution.